Hello viewers, welcome to a new recipe in Kalosona channel. I bring you Ilish Macher talk. It's all about Hilsha or Ilish, the queen of fishes in Bengal. This is a very quick and simple recipe prepared with only tamarind water, salt, sugar and tempering. So you do not need very many things for it. The fish itself is sufficient. Let's, without much ado, start cooking. Put a wok on your gas, allow mustard oil to heat up, and then start frying the fish pieces. Now, usually the head slit into half and the tail pieces are used for this preparation, as because these pieces are not liked by very many in other dishes like ilish ilish or ilish mache jhol. You can find the recipe of ilish mache jhol with brinjals or begun as well as ilish mach bhaja and shorshe ilish in my channel. If you like my channel recipes, and do please subscribe, and also the new viewers, do like, share and comment and let me know how your dishes turned out after cooking in the way I explained to you. So please, dear viewers, subscribe and help me grow. Fry the fishes so much only as to change their color and not to dry them up. I am turning them upside down so that all sides are fried equally well. I have added one round piece of fish as because I do not have a tail piece. You can add round pieces too. So fry these fish pieces very well and add the other piece also. Now turn the pieces so that they are fried equally on all sides. I am taking out the head pieces as they are already fried and changed color. You do not need very many ingredients for this. Just prepare tamarind pulp water by dissolving tamarind pulp into water and keep it aside for around 10 to 20 minutes. You have to take out or strain out the skin of the tamarinds as well as the seeds so that they do not fall into your mouth during eating. You prepare the tamarind pulp so well that the whole tamarind is dissolved. Now in the remaining oil I am tempering it with dry red chili 2 pieces and mustard seeds. After the mustard seeds have spluttered and around 30 seconds have elapsed by frying, then do add the tamarind pulp. Here is the tamarind prepared from the old tamarind. You add only sufficient amount so that for 3 pieces of fishes the sourness will be enough. We have to balance the sourness of the tamarind with sugar. So we add tamarind pulp and let it fry a little bit so that the rawness is gone, and then add sugar also. The sugar will dissolve and let out water. After the sugar is dissolved and mixed well with the pulp, then and then only do add water from above. Because the consistency of the soup or the sweet and sour soup is thin, it is never thick. So the tamarind pulp has to be diluted with water and sugar in order to make the consistency thin. It is a very unique taste, and once you have developed the taste for this, especially in the region of Medinipur where the heat is intense near Orissa seaside, these talk or rasha as they call it is prepared from all types of fishes. Hilsha is famous for making this ilish macher talk. I am allowing the soup to boil up and then adding the fried fish pieces to it. You can see I am allowing the fish pieces to soak and boil in the soup for around 4 to 5 minutes so that the volume of the soup decreases a little and the color turns to dark brown. So your ilish macher talk is ready. Do enjoy, prepare and let me know in comment how your dishes turned out. Again, I thank you all for viewing my video till the last. To the old viewers and for the new viewers, please do like, share, comment and of course subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Take out the fish pieces prior so that they don't break up, as Hilsha is a very soft fish, and pour the soup over it. After you prepare white steamed rice, do take the ilish macher talk along with plain white steamed rice with which it tastes best. Here, enjoy and thank you all.